What's up, everyone? It's Logan from Mad Props, and today's quick tip is going to be on how to calibrate that reference image to be sure that when we use it, it is the size that we need it to be. Let's do it. Okay, so here we are in Fusion 360, just like before, and a little recap of the last episode. We're going to go to Insert, Attached Canvas, select our plane, go to Select Image. We're going to find the batarang, and if you remember that mine needed to be at 90 degrees, yours may be different if you're using something else, and uniform scale it to some arbitrary number just so we can see what we're doing a little bit better. Okay. And before, if you remember, we moved the batarang over because it's not quite centered, and we can do that all right here, right now. So we're going to find that happy medium just like I did before, and then click OK. Alright, now we're back to where we were before. Now this is important. This calibration is it's an important thing because maybe you need something to fit in a particular place or to be a particular size, and this is how you do that. So, for example, the batarang could need to fit in a utility belt, and any bigger than 4 inches would be too big, any smaller is going to be just too small. So when we attached our canvas, it created this folder over here in the folder tree, or whatever you want to call this, called canvases. And when it's twirled down, you can see the batarang. Now, quick little footnote here. When you get a project that has a lot of different folders and a lot of different things, it can be pretty cumbersome and a lot of things can get lost. So when you hover over whatever it is, it'll show up and highlight blue in your project window. So we know this is the right thing. We're going to right click on it, click calibrate. And from here, we need to select 2 points. If we leave our mouse still for just 1 second, it says pick the first point on the canvas plane. Now that first point is completely up to us. It's easiest to pick this and this because I know it needs to be 4 inches. And as you see, it's in the metric system right now, which I actually prefer. Even being in the US, I like the metric system a whole lot better. So without doing the math though, we can go to 4 and designate the units as IN and hit enter to commit that. And there we have it. We have a 4-inch from wingtip to wingtip batarang that when we print it or whatever we're going to do with it, it'll come out the size that we wanted it to be. Okay, so that's the quick tip for today. The next part is going to be how to create a sketch on top of the reference plane and to do it quickly and to save some trouble by condensing a few steps. So, stay tuned for that. And I'll see you later.